some drawstrings come out of your pants and you don't know how you're going to get back through, and the pants are still perfectly great and they look cool and they feel good, you don't want to buy a new pair, well, all you need is a paper clip, the drawstring, or go out to a fabric store, just buy some yarn or some string or something that's appropriate for it. It's pretty easy actually. So first, just put this through the paper clip, tie a knot like so. I guess this could be filed under one of life's hacks, a life hack, right? And then go through the opening, just like that, see? And you just start working it through. So crinkle it up over the paper clip and then pull, crinkle again and then pull, till you go all the way around, or whatever you happen to be working with. It's a pretty neat little life hack. And you want to make sure that you put the paper clip in. Pull out another paper clip so I can show you. This is important. Otherwise, you're going to run into some problems. Whoops. Okay, so see these little catches of the paper clip here? You want to make sure that they're going away from the direction that you're putting this through. Otherwise, if I go in the direction where these little catches are, where am I? Right there. See that? If I'm going this way against the fabric, it's just going to get caught. It's not going to go through. So make sure you turn it around. You're going that way. You'll figure it out when you're doing this, but that's basically it.